primos, no cars, single zigzags, no big face C-notes. No higher, no job, and still I'm fucking dead. Running away from my peers, smoking fat stress bags. Lace with that Alvarado booyah. Ducking cops, ducking shots, don't let these rappers fool ya. I grew up in the Rampart scandal before you seen it on your channel. Some shit we had to handle. Look out, sash spots, police scanners, hood rats, crack rocks, and broken grammar. And every day we was faced with different obstacles. Rampart, Northeast, and General Hospital. I wanna be responsible, but I keep giving in to the lust and the greed of this times we living in. Gang signs and dividends like our minds are limited. We went from building pyramids to giving up and giving in. And the truth, life is loose is like a jungle. So sometimes it makes me wonder how we keep from going under.
Just another kid living life, trapped, not living well, spitting my life while all these rappers living fairy tales. Living in this very hell that I spit so vividly. Trying to get this paper, nothing but G's in my vicinity. Lazy claiming they know me, but they ain't no fucking friend of me. It's a cold world, only love some kin to me. And I'm everything that you pretend to be. Straight from the streets where the homies jumping in the heat of the battle. Running with homies and some ammo. Southern side riders with some blue brands, not no camo. And this life gave me curves I hardly handle, but I tucked it in like the nueve in my flannel. We used to sport khakis and we used to throw gang signs. The homies posted cooking, slanging, moving it at the same time. That was the gang life. The homies trapped in. Now it's cold jail cells that they put them back in. In this rap game, trying to get it cracking. Who else trying to hate, still investigating my faction. Cell phones tap, conversations closely listened to. At least once a year a different homie gets up on the news. And it's a very cold, deadly gang, trust me, this is true. Better watch who you trust, turn your back, you could be through. And till my death, I'ma rep the crew. West side, Silver Lake, 2 or 3, all in blue.